In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Angel agent that will unlock content for a student based on certain criteria. In this case, we're going to use the grade on a particular assessment. So to start off, you need to be in the Automate tab, and I'm already in the Automate section here. I'm going to click on Add New Agent. We'll give the agent a name, and this is basically going to be called, I'm calling this releasing content based on an assessment score, because that's how I'm going to run this agent. This is going to be a content agent, so I'm going to select content agent. And then here under select content to monitor, I'm going to choose the assessment that I want to have monitored. So I want a specific assessment, and I'm going to choose quiz 1, click add, and then close window. And then I'm going to choose the criteria upon which this agent's going to run. And in this case, I want it to be when the assessment is graded. I'm going to make this a little tough, so I'm going to say the student needs to get 100% on this particular assessment in order to have the agent run. So I'm going to click Next. And I want this to be available for all users, so I'm going to leave that as default. I'm not going to set any conditions, but you could choose different conditions if you want. So I'm going to click Next. And here's where I'm going to choose the action type. So what action do I want this agent to take? And in this case, I need to have two, essentially. I need to have the action of go to and have it go to a particular area or a particular assignment in this case. And then I want it to unlock that content because I've put a password on that piece of content. So I'm going to start with the go to. And here that you have to actually search for a particular thing. So, I need to know the exact text string for the item that I want to go to once the agent is running. So I do know that that I called the assignment homework 1. And these other settings are optional. They're kind of labeled, so I'm just going to leave that alone. But I want to add another action, so I click that button. And the other action type I want to run is to unlock that content. And so I'm going to set it up for all students. So I'm going to add students. And the password I've put on this item is test. And that's it. So I'm going to click Next. And there's my agent. So my agent, which is releasing content based on an assessment score, it's a content agent. It's for all users. The action is to go to and unlock the content with the password test. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So now I'm logged in as a student in that course, and as you can see, if I click on the homework tab, homework link, and I click on homework 1, it's going to ask me for a password. So I'm not going to be able to access this until I go through the quiz and get 100% so that it unlocks and puts the password in for me. So I'm going to go back to the Lessons tab. I'm going to click on Quizzes. I'm going to take quiz 1, begin now. So I'm going to answer the quiz questions and hit submit. And there it goes. It takes me right into homework 1. So it is unlocked. It's taken me to homework 1 and then also entered the password in for me automatically. And now I have access to homework 1 and I can start uploading my assignment. It doesn't have to be a homework assignment. You can really choose any type of content that you want and use an agent to unlock that content in this way. So anyway, that's the lesson for today, and we'll come out with some more videos soon.